I think that we had our consolidation and Zomedica will be heading to new all-time highs when we get closer to the true forma launch, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to a Zomedica price update. So guys, as you guys can see today, Zomedica has been recovering from the previous dip, which was on Tuesday, because Zomedica has been raising capital, guys. On Tuesday, they announced that they would be selling their shares, and they sold close to 12 million shares at around $1.90, which was actually really good for the company on the long run, because they raised close to 140 million US dollars by doing this share offering. And by doing this, guys, this company is just starting to fly off into this outer space, because I think that this is really smart on Zomedica's part, because right now they already had $90 million, but with this stock price offering, they will be adding another 150 million US dollars to their cash balance, guys. This company is having 250 million US dollars cash right now on hand, which is really smart for this penny stock, guys. So I was really excited to talk about this, guys, because in case you didn't know, on this channel, guys, we do nothing else but technical analysis. And right now, in the past few days, I have been covering penny stocks, especially since they have been seeing some amazing growth over the past couple of days. We look at stocks such as Atosa, Oxygen, also Neo, Palantir, SBE, all that good stuff. I'm trying to look at very good growth stocks right now. And if you want to be a part of this channel, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like down below, because I will be covering Zomedica extensively, because I believe that this veterinarian company really will shake things up and change the whole sector, which will be really good, guys, because this company is really starting to take off, in my opinion. I was covering Zomedica when it was close to $1. It was around 90 cents when I first covered this stock, and I believe that this is just the beginning, guys, of Zomedica. So right now in this video, we will be talking about an article as to why Zomedica has dropped 15% on Tuesday, and after that we will be taking a look at the candlestick chart of Zomedica, and we will be looking at the current support, resistance, and the current trend line in which Zomedica is trading, and we'll do a price prediction based on that. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like down below, and let's get right started, guys. So guys, here we are at the Zomedica investors page, so you can look at this page by yourself. I will be linking this link in the comment section down below, so make sure to read it yourself too, because as I mentioned, guys, this is a penny stock, and make sure to do your own due diligence. Look at their balance sheets, look at their quarterly results, because I'm not a financial advisor, so let me clear that up. So right now you can see on their investors page that Zomedica Corporation increases previously announced bought deal offering of common shares to 173.5 million US dollars. So looking at this article, guys, you can see, like I mentioned, Zomedica actually announced that due to the high demand, the underwriter has agreed to increase the size of the previously announced public offering and purchase on a firm commitment basis 91 million common shares of Zomedica at a price to the public of $1.90 per share, guys. So basically they bought 91 million common shares. So right now there are over 7 times as much shares on the market for investors to buy. So this means that with this price offering, Zomedica has raised over 173.5 million US dollars, adding to their already rich $90 million cash balance, guys. So right now these guys have over 250 million US dollars cash on hand, which is insane, guys. Like looking at this penny stock, this is really important because right now they have a lot more cash to spend on further developments on their true forma point and take care device, which will be really good on the long term, guys. Okay, guys, so here we are at the Zomedica candlestick chart. So looking at today's price, we are sitting at $2.50. You can see we are up over 8% today, which is a really good recovery, guys, for Zomedica, because you can see that today we were really overbought on the RSI, but still looking at the price movements right now, you can see that we are still following the trend line really beautifully. We have a resistance of around $2.93, and our support has been moved up. Right now, our support, it seems to be that our support is going to be around the $2 range, because you can see around here, we did have an all-time high, and after that we had a pullback on Tuesday. Especially the stock dropped all the way down to $2, but even today we managed to go up to the $2.50 mark, which is really important, because that shows that even though they sold a lot of shares, the bullish sentiment remains the same. And I was expecting a way bigger dip, in my opinion, due to the share offering, but it was nothing significant. We are even up today over 8%, recovering from Tuesday's drop, which is really good, guys. I think that this stock, looking at the MACD also, will still be in a bullish sentiment. Even on Friday at the end of the week, we will be closing closer to the $2.50 mark. I think that we had our consolidation, and Zomedica will be heading to new all-time highs when we get closer to the true formal launch, guys. So that was my technical analysis, guys. I think that Zomedica is really stepping its game, and this is really a long-term penny stock, in my opinion, because they are raising a lot of cash, guys. So they have a really good cash on hand balance right now, and this is just the beginning of Zomedica, in my opinion. They will only be getting bigger and bigger in the future. So like I mentioned, guys, do your own due diligence, look at their balance sheets, and this was my Zomedica technical analysis. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below. I would really appreciate that, and I'll see you next time, guys. Alright, guys, as you guys can see right now, Zomedica is still up after the dip on Tuesday, which is showing that this company is really strong, guys. I was really expecting a much bigger dip, because they sold quite a lot of shares on Tuesday, the share offering, and thus we only saw a 15% drop. It could have been a lot worse, in my opinion. And looking at the charts right now, we are sitting at a very good support level of around $2 to $2.40, and I think that that's amazing, guys, for this company, because we are having higher highs and higher lows, which means that we are still in a very bullish upwards movement. And I think that Zomedica isn't a buy and dump stock. It really has some potential, in my opinion, because of the disruptive behavior, because of the true formal launch, which will be in the end of March, guys. So if you want to see a lot more coverage on Zomedica, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below. I would really appreciate that, and I will see you next time, guys. Peace out.